case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1978, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case Moorman Manufacturing Co. v. Bair, which focused on the state of Iowa's method of calculating income tax for interstate businesses using a single-factor sales formula. Moorman Manufacturing Co., an Illinois-based animal feed manufacturer, argued that this method resulted in excessive taxation and proposed an alternative formula. The court determined that Iowa's formula, which attributed income to the state based on a proportion of sales made within the state, was generally valid, but could violate due process in certain cases. However, it required taxpayers to present clear and cogent evidence of disproportionate income attribution or gross distortion for due process violations. The court rejected Moorman's claims of extraterritorial and duplicative taxation, dismissing their arguments. Ultimately, the Supreme Court affirmed the judgment of the Iowa Supreme Court, finding Iowa's single-factor sales formula for taxing interstate businesses valid. The court suggested that Congress could enact legislation requiring uniform rules for income division among states, and allowed Iowa to demand proof of formula arbitrary results.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.